Good day, everyone. This is my second podcast. This is how to make simple resume. First, start with your basic information. Put your full name, contact number, email address, and location at the very top. Make sure your email address looks professional and your contact details are updated because this is how employers will reach you. Next, write a short career objective. This should be 1 to 2 sentences that explain the job you are applying for and what you can offer. It helps employers quickly understand your goals and why you might be a good fit for the role. After that, list your work experience. Begin with your most recent job. Include your job title, the company name, and the dates you are worked there. Under each job, write 2 or 3 bullet points describing your main responsibility or achievements. Use strong action words like manage, organize, assisted, or created to clearly show what you did. Then add your education. Write them write down the name of the school, your course or degree, and the year you graduate. If you're still studying, you can include your expected graduation here instead. Lastly, add your skills. These should be skills that match the job you are applying for, such as computer skills, communication skills, teamwork, problem solving, all specific tools and software you know how to use. Make sure your resume is clean, organized, and easy to read. Use simple fonts, proper spacing, and clear section, as well as structured. Resume makes a strong first impression and helps employers quickly see your strength and qualification. That's all.